Hey. Okay, let's be serious. Hi guys, my name is Winnette and welcome to my channel. For the noise that you guys might be hearing in the background, it's the escalator, and I just want to apologize for that. I'm from Liberia, and Liberia is on the west coast of Africa, for those of you who doesn't know. On this channel, I'm gonna be making Liberian food, American food, and other food. But the main focus is Liberian dishes. Basically, I love cooking. Because of my passion, I ended up going to a culinary school, which I'm in right now. I'm actually working as a chef at the casino that just opened in my state, in Boston. Because of my passion, I decided to open this YouTube channel to share my knowledge and experience with you guys. Or if you have a suggestion of food that you would like for me to make on this channel, you can just leave it in the comment section below and I can make that for you guys. So hit me up, let me know what food you would like to see on this channel, and if you're interested in a specific Liberian dish, just let me know. Leave it in the comment section below. If you're one of those people who like to try other culture food and other country food, this is the channel for you. Welcome once again to Cooking with Winn. This is your girl, Winnette, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Subscribe. Bye, guys.